Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day.
Hey everyone.
So today we're here in the beautiful Smoky Mountains, actually in North Carolina, in the Smoky Mountain National Forest.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous here. And in an upcoming video you're going to see more hikes and horseback riding and things that we've done while we were here in North Carolina. But we are going to go back in time again, just like the last video, which this will be the last video Joe was not a part of.
Right, somebody was home working their little tail off, supporting these habits.
And I was out gallivanting, as he used to say. But we'll get into that. You're gonna see us as we explored Glacier National Park.
We, not me.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We.
Yeah, me and Tony and Candace, who you'll meet.
Right.
It was just gorgeous, and like the Grand Canyon and many other things that we've experienced, camera just doesn't do it justice. But we'll get into that right after this.
Welcome back.
So, what you're about to see is the sights and sounds of Whitefish. It's the little town that we stayed in while we were up there. And it was probably 20-30 minutes away from the the west entrance of Glacier National Park.
Honey, north, south, east, west.
So we were in the west side and we exited the east side. And then, of course, we took the road to the sun and even did a little hiking on the Highline Trail. So you'll see all of that here. We saw some beautiful waterfalls, and it's just picturesque views. So go ahead, sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and sounds of Whitefish, and then we'll move right on into the tour of Glacier National Park, which, if this is not on your bucket list, everybody, it needs to be. It is breathtaking. In fact, Joe is making me take her there next season.
That's right. We are going he's going to redo everything.
So we're going to do that again.
Right.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy. See you in a minute.
Okay, I'll do that. It happens to be 2 people.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, running barefoot to a creek. We learned to drive the van, then we had to hide it from the fishermen. 2 French braids make believing, like my own sister. Nobody's road is the same. Both of us went our own way. Our hearts have never changed, 'cause we got our cabin days. Like my own sister, our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Friends forever.
Wait for no car. There we go.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. But you can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? Well, I'm out here.
scattered across the dusty floor in the backseat of my Chevy 58, along with bits of candy wrappers. Looking back to when our castle was a shack, vacation was making figure eights in the parking lot. Remember when we used to forgive more than we forgot? Wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right, but how could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, and sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I am tearing down this wall. Years go by, and gradually the tears run dry, but I'm still here looking for your face in the faceless crowd. Long after our final ship had drowned, it wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right, but how could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I am tearing down this wall. About you leaving, since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I'm tearing down this wall. Tearing down this wall, I'm tearing down, I'm tearing down this wall.
You got to see Tony and Candace, my friends who actually got married there, which was that couple there, and everybody else was in the crew. They didn't want to be on film, so I respected their wishes. So I had to cut and edit out a lot of
Hours,
because-
hours, yes.
Yeah, because I had over 4 hours of content here that we had to edit, and I had to make sure nobody was in it because they didn't want to be on camera. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. It was absolutely gorgeous. We had a great time. We did hike the Highline Trail, but not too far. I think we only went a mile and a half or a mile in or something like that and came back out a mile. I will tell you next time Joanne and I go, we're going to do the whole thing.
All of it, top, bottom, inside out.
And we're going to spend a little more time in Glacier than we did just that
Yep.
one day. I will say the smoke from all the forest fires out in the west really made visibility poor. The day we were there, it actually wasn't too bad. It was the best of all the days we were there, the whole week we were there. That was the best visibility.
The whole west, you had trouble with the cough and the visibility.
Yeah, cough, and I had to edit all that stuff out. That smoke was just killing me for the few months I was out there. Again, we appreciate all of you who watch our videos and follow us. And for those of you, well, let's try that again. And for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that little like button, subscribe, and ring that little bell or click that little bell that notifies you the next time I put a video out.
Yes.
Again, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Oh, and by the way, Joe will be in all of the videos.
All of
moving
them.
forward.
Priorities, you kids. Priorities.
Yes.
We'll be here.
So, thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day.
See ya!
Bye.